Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we will learn how to pass an entire array to a function in C. So without any further delay, let's get started. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop. To start Turbo C ID, select New from the file menu to create new source file. First of all, we are going to create a program to pass individual array elements to a function. So let's start coding. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, opening brace, closing brace, int nums subscript 10 equal to, in curly brackets, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Int I clrstr display in bracket nums of 0. I am going to copy this line, paste it twice, nums of 1, nums of 9. Okay, get ch. Now it's time to create this user defined function display. So let's do it. Void display, because it is not going to return any value, that's why I have mentioned its return type to void. Okay, one more thing is that when your return type is other than integer, then it is mandatory to declare its prototype. So I am going to copy this header and paste it above main here. This is called function prototype. Okay, now simply printing printf %4d comma, here we need a variable, say num or number, bracket complete, semicolon. Save the program as passar.c. Compile it to make sure that there are no syntax error in the program. So Alt F9. Program is absolutely fine. Now let's run it to view the output. So Control F9. So you can see 1, 2 and 10 on the screen, because by using display function we display the first element of an array, that is 1, the second element of an array, that is 2, and the last element of an array, that is 10. That's why our program is displaying 1, 2 and 10. Now instead of calling this function individually, we can use loop here. So to display all array elements, I can write for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, opening brace, closing brace. Instead of 0, here I am going to write I. Now it's okay. Save the program again, compile it and run it to view the output. Now you can see all the elements of an array on the screen. Now we are going to modify this function so that we can pass an entire array to a function. So let's do it. So I am modifying this function, display in bracket nums comma 10. Okay, here nums indicates base address of an array, that is address of 0th element. Okay, and 10 is the size of array. So let's modify the function, void display. Here we need an array, so int say numbers. Okay, don't write subscript here, comma int size. Okay, now we need a variable I here. For I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, opening brace, closing brace, printf %4d, comma numbers subscript I. Okay, now the prototype of the function gets changed, so I am going to copy this header and place it here, removing the old header. Now compile the program to make sure that there are no syntax error in the program. So Alt F9. Okay, I forget to add semicolon here. Now it's okay. Now run the program to view the output. So Control F9, and you can see the output on the screen. So in this way we can pass an entire array to a function. Using pointer we can also pass an entire array to a function like this. So we can write this as ampersand nums of 0, both means same thing. Okay, now int star number comma size. Here star number value at address nums of 0 first, then nums of 1, and so on. And we need to increment pointer here so that it can point to next location. So number plus plus increment pointer to point to next location. Our prototype of the function gets changed. Let's copy it and paste it, removing the old prototype, semicolon, compile it. Here not numbers, only number. Save the program again, compile it. Now it's okay. Let's run it to view the output. Control F9. So you can see the output on the screen. So that's all for this video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming interesting video lessons. If you have any queries, regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.